Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi. So this is the day 14 of my English journey. So today I want to talk about something very important. So I see a lots of comment. Many people said they want a English partner to improve your English and practice with them. Have you ever thought why would you need a English partner? And let me tell you one more thing. Your best English partner is you. Of course, you nobody knows better than you. And keep talking to yourself. This is the best method to improve your English. And I think you have a one question this time. If I am talking to myself, if I am being wrong, so who correct me? So this is not a matter who corrects me. First you have to structure sentences, and this is the best method. And then you find a English partner. I think there is a no need. First you have to talking to yourself. This is the best method I ever found out. I think this is the best method. And so if you have don't English partner, so it's not a big deal. And you are own English partner. You are the best. And only think about this. You are the best. And do you ever think when people learn something new, they all people are make mistake. It's a normal, and it's also a natural. Every people make mistake. It's a shows that you are trying to something new. And if you are not trying, how could you make a mistake? So this is the matter. And if you already know that thing, so why would you need to learn something new? So it's important to understand the situation. If you are pro that activity, that language, so why would you need to learn? And if you are making mistake, not a big deal really. And don't think about a people, and don't think about to learn new thing and worry about a people. And let me tell you one more thing. I use same thing when I'm talking to myself. My family members, my friends also talking them like she has a gone crazy. She has talking to herself. So in that time I might be little bit very upset. But that thing and them think it's okay if I'm trying new. So it's a natural to making a mistake. And I am also this time making a mistake lots of. So if I am ever think, if I am not making mistake being a perfect. And if you ever think about a people, trust me, you would never try to something is start something. Let me tell you. And when you start something, people also said. If you are not start something, people also said. So you don't care about people. You care yourself, your family members. And this is the thing. You all are understand about all situations. So I think you all are understand mistakes are normal. And but you have to first you make a mistake one time, but another time you know about that mistake, so don't repeat that. So this is the difference between growth mindset and fixed mindset. And one more thing, if you want to learn with me, so please join with me. And see you next video, day 15. Okay, take care, bye.